Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and this is a how to clean surfaces video for all of your house. 2019 has presented some really new technology, and I want to show the kind that works best to clean fast, efficiently, with excellent results, so you're not wasting a lot of time doing something you may not like to do. I researched on the internet and I found Supercloth, and let me tell you about it because it is the best in cleaning cloths available anywhere on the planet today. It feels like suede, it's got that texture, but it's a special patented formula that made this cloth. It is made of a bonded and a pressed fiber. That's how they get the texture that cleans so well. So you know when it touches something, it's going to pull off the dirt, the dust, and any kinds of markings from surfaces you want to clean up. I have a 5-bedroom, 3-bath house that I've raised 3 kids in, and that's a lot of surfaces to clean. And these surfaces are all kinds of materials, whether it's wood and the cabinets, a full kitchen. In fact, I have 2 kitchens of appliances and different kinds of surfaces. My upstairs kitchen has my stainless steel, and my downstairs kitchen has older appliances. It's a little dated. And all my bedrooms with the bed frames and the side tables, those collect a lot of dust over time. And my living room with the fireplace, that gets extra dusty. And life has too many fun moments to be spending your life cleaning. I am not an OCD cleaner. I am one that wants to get it done fast and efficiently and as little as possible. Let me show you how I use Supercloth. Eco-cleaning is a new way to clean, and Supercloth has thought of that in designing this special cleaning cloth. You don't have to use any chemicals with it at all. So put it under a faucet, get it really wet, and once it's really wet, then you wring it out. And you need to wring it out really well because you only want it slightly damp, especially if you're cleaning a window. You want it to dry fast. And with it slightly damp, let me show you how this works. There used to be the thing about you don't want to introduce water onto a wood surface. That's how I grew up, because you don't want to take off the finish. Keep your Supercloth folded the way it comes, fold it back up after you get it wet, and apply it to the surface you want to clean and glide your hand over it. The large cleaning surface is wonderful. It's about the size of your hand or bigger. That means you're going to clean at a faster rate. That table was marked up just from life. And look at how clean it's getting as I'm rubbing the Supercloth over it. This included no furniture polish. It was just dampened by that water. And the surface dried fast. It's not going to take off the finish of that table. The dust and the dirt will cling to your Supercloth. Look at all that came off on just that small area of the table. And after it gets dirty, you would just rinse it off to use it again. And look at it clean my microwave, which has glass and stainless steel on it. Microwaves get extra greasy because you're using them and touching them as you're making your food. It's one of the dirtiest places in my kitchen. Look at how great the Supercloth cleans that. It looks brand new after cleaning it with a Supercloth. And check out my dirty refrigerator. That stainless steel is always getting marred up. One swipe with Supercloth and it's clean, and I can move on to the next. Which in this case is my edit studio, where I have all these computers and the screens are always getting dirty. It's fantastic to use on your electronic devices, even your keyboards. Bathroom mirrors get dirty so fast, and I keep one in my car because the front windshield of my car always seems to get dirty every time I drive it. And I'll just dab it with one of my water bottles in the car. One of my favorite things is cleaning my windows. Let the sunshine in. And by cleaning your house just with water, you save so much money on those chemicals that you didn't want to use anyways. And it works great on chrome with just a swipe for your kitchen and bathroom fixtures. Click the link below for Supercloth and get a few of them because you're going to want them all over the place because they're that quick and that easy and that inexpensive for cleaning your house, your cars, clean up little messes that make life interesting. I'm Rebecca Brand. Follow me on social media on any platform you like because I'm on most of them. If you're watching me on YouTube, ring my bell to get notified of my next video and subscribe to my channel. And let's keep making great recipes in life, like a recipe for the quick cleanup. Because we all know the next mess is just gonna happen.